everyone!
Hey!
Welcome back to Tokki and Fairy. Today we are going to go over our third day of our Japan trip. And for our third day, we went to Akihabara!
Wow!
So, are you ready to see what we bought in Akihabara?
Okay, I guess
Alright.
we'll show.
We have this big behemoth of a suitcase that we actually did not go to Japan with. We bought this at Don Quixote.
Yes. As you might have noticed from our previous luggage unboxing videos, each piece of luggage that we have used actually included a lot of the things that we bought from different places. So this is our biggest, yes, biggest carrier because we bought a lot of big things from Akihabara.
Yes, and I cannot wait.
Where's the zipper? There's the zipper.
Ta-da! A lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
Are in here, unceremoniously just thrown in.
We'll start with the cosplay.
Yes.
I think they're on top.
But do you want to put this down first? Okay. All right. So we got that. We got a few more.
I think that's it.
That's it. Yeah, for the cosplay.
Okay, let me move this out of the way.
So we are going to a convention here in Korea called PopCon, and it's in a couple of months or a few months from now, in August. And we decided to do some cosplay. So we went to 2 places in Akihabara, actually 3 places in Akihabara. One called Cospa, and the other one called Cospatio. I'm not sure about the pronunciation. And the other one, Mandarake. So we'll start off with the big one.
Yep, the big one.
Okay.
Here we have the complete Saiyan Saga outfit for the Prince of all Saiyans, Prince Vegeta. I like how it even comes with a tail. So I am going to be dressing up. My cosplay will be Prince Vegeta. I also had to get a wig to help with the hairstyle. While I was trying to think about growing my hair out, I'm not sure if I can grow that much in time.
Right. So we'll have to style your wig.
Yes.
In a very Saiyan-like way.
But if I'm going to be Vegeta, then my lovely wife has decided to be
Bulma! And I'm going to go as Saiyan Saga Bulma. I have the wig. It's quite long, so I'm going to have to cut it, but it's at least the right hair color, so I'm very excited about that. And what I got from Mandarake is the Dragon Ball radar.
Yay.
And it even has capsule core on the back. So I'm really excited about that. It actually lights up. It's a remote control for your TV or I guess DVD player. It has here on in Japanese. But I'll put in the batteries later, and it's going to be so cool because then people will really recognize that we're Bulma and Vegeta. Well, definitely you,
Yeah,
Vegeta.
but they'll recognize I'm Vegeta.
But we also ordered some scouters from Amazon. They had them at Mandarake, but they were really expensive. So, yeah. So we bought 3 figures, secondhand figures from Akihabara. First one, Spy Family with Anya and Bond. And we got Muzan from Demon Slayer. And lastly, Kenshin. And 2 of these are unopened.
Maybe?
Yes, 2 of these are unopened. This one has been opened. But what's nice about these is that these were a lot cheaper than what you would normally get if you bought them brand new. And I think even though this is open, it's still good condition because if you are an anime figure collector, you really know how to take care of your figures.
Yeah. Now we only got these 3 figures mainly just because like we had already bought a lot of stuff from Super Nintendo World and the Pokemon Center. If you're interested, those videos are going to be posted in the top right corner for you to see and check out. But in Akihabara, there are a lot of different components that people like. You have the electronic sections, the gaming sections, the anime, and we focus mostly on the anime that we grew up watching and enjoy watching these days. So we got these 3 sets, but we were also able to find some non-anime items. We got some Star Wars items as well at one of the shops. Ewok, Japanese themed Ewok chopsticks, which are going to be so awesome to use when we're eating ramen, and a Han Solo in carbonite ice tray for all of our iced drinks that we're going to be having.
Yes.
So we saw this and we're like, oh, that's so awesome. It's so cool. Han Solo and carbonite. Classic. So we got some Star Wars things. But then we could not resist.
No, we could not.
We could not resist.
We could not resist. Because our love for Pokemon continues. We got Flareon. And the best of all,
Charmander.
Yes.
Sleeping Charmander.
He's so fluffy and cute.
One eye's closed, one eye's open.
Yes.
You can put him on your shoulder.
You just cuddle with him at night.
So cute.
He's so cute. Yes, very cute.
So when you're cuddling with him, you've got the one eye, or
you can get the other eye.
You can get the other eye, and he's sleeping.
Over there when he's sleeping.
It's like, oh.
He's gonna look so cute.
Yeah, so we're super excited. We tried to control ourselves at the Pokemon store, but we wanted more plush.
Yes, and again, just like with the figures, the plush is a lot cheaper in Akihabara. And if, for example, we tried to go to a couple of Pokemon centers, they were very crowded. So if you aren't able to get into a Pokemon center, if it's too crowded, go to Akihabara and get all your Pokemon plush.
Yes. Yeah.
So cool.
So cool. So happy. I think.
What else do we get? I think I got a few more things.
We got a couple more random items.
Oh yes, yes.
At the same store, we got
some more Animal Crossing amiibos that are individually packaged, so that's pretty cool. And
I got a Dragon Ball display set where you actually have to punch out the different pieces, and then it'll become a 3D design, which I guess you can't really see from the pictures here, but we'll probably create a short or something once we build some of these things and show them off a little better. But yeah, we were super excited to find so many different things, fandoms that we liked. So it was such a long trip too.
It was.
Ate a lot of delicious food.
Yes.
We walked a lot. And we want to go back.
Yes, and when we go back, there's so much more to see. Like you said, there's the more like electronic area of Akihabara anime, and there's also gaming too. A lot of claw machines are there as well. So we cannot wait to go back and try out more things in Akihabara.
Yeah. Okay, well, I think that's going to be it for our video on our visit to Akihabara. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please click that thumbs up. Comment below your thoughts. The question, I guess, for you guys is, what is your favorite anime to watch these days? I think Akihabara had everything, so whatever it is, I'm sure we can find it in Akihabara if you ever get to visit there. But please subscribe. We have more videos from our honeymoon in Japan coming soon, so stay tuned. Click that subscribe button and notification bell so then you'll know when that happens. Also, we have 2 other videos, as I mentioned before, when we went to Universal Studios and we went to the Pokemon Center in Osaka, so you can check those out while you're waiting. But I guess until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day, and we'll see you again.
Bye!
Bye! Thanks for stopping by!